I'll try to make this quick. So here's an old backpack. You notice there's two sections. Typically old school, you would put your sleeping bag in this bottom section right here, and then put the rest of your stuff in the top. But most backpacks, you can remove the divider between the two sections. So the backpack becomes one long sack. This is a trash compactor bag. It's completely waterproof. Inside of it, I have two more trash compactor bags in case this gets damaged. What you do is stuff this in all the way to the bottom, so it's lining the inside. This is my sleeping bag per se. It's a sleeping quilt. Your sleeping bag is the first thing that goes in. Don't wrap it up. Air it out like this, and then totally unloose, so no compression bags or anything like that. Stuff it into the trash compactor bag. This will give you so much more space. Okay, next are everything I do not want to get wet. So here's my long sleeve sleeping pants. I unroll them, throw them in. My thermal long sleeve shirt, loose, put in there. I have a little pillow. I don't want that wet. My ground pad, this is Specialized. A lot of them can just get wet. You want to bring like a little rag or something you can wipe off the water before you go to sleep, but this is small enough that I can put it inside my waterproof section. You don't want to waterproof everything. If it doesn't need to be waterproofed, then don't throw it in there. Okay, so then what I'm going to do, come over here. See how it looks like it's really full? I smash that down as tight as I can. And that just gave me a ton of space. And then what I'm going to do is twist this up, get the air out of there, smash that down. Now I have a waterproof section inside my backpack. There's a lot of things that don't have to worry about. So like my tarp, my little 5x7 tarp, I can just drop it in now. I'm not worried about getting wet. That goes with a lot of my equipment. Then for other stuff, like my little backpacking lantern, or my cell phone, or my headlamp, goes in its own little Ziploc bag. Things that don't need to go in with all the clothing and bedding.